Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have what's probably going to be an emotional video today. It's a gotcha video. Darren bought Arrow for me 26 years ago today. Wow. So we're going to get him out and show him to you and spend a little time with him and get on his back. Haven't done that in a while and might not do it again. I got out a photo album. You probably can't see it, but I'm down here with Arrow, and our other horses are off in the distance. This was our pasture in Wisconsin. I'm going to try to go quick. Arrow, when he was really young, probably 6 months old. That pad is from a pony I got when I was 8 years old and hung on to. Oh, here he is. We did all kinds of things with he, and this is Dreamer. We actually got them at the same time. They were both just weanlings. We got them from a horse auction. They're so cute. I used to drag him along when I went out and rode, and therefore he got used to everything. He was so easy to break. Look at my handsome husband. He's working on hooves. Young and strong. We did everything with Arrow. That was a stallion Darren bought, and I put my foot down and said, oh no, we are not keeping him. When he was less than 2, I put a saddle on him so he'd get used to the feel of it while we were out. This is another pony we had for the kids. I actually tried to ride her one time. There's Darren's youngest son. And there's his oldest son. There she is. We called her Rose Pony. Her name was Rose. And there I am. These were some friends I rode with in Wisconsin. Yeah.
It's hard to all.
Yeah, there we go. And there's the boys. They had no idea I was behind them. Here we are at a horse event. We were chasing cows that day, team penning. There's Darren. I don't know where that was taken.
Team penning.
This was taken at team penning. That's me on Lady while Arrow was still young. Here I am chasing cows. And here I am doing something, probably the same thing. There's Darren, young and strong and handsome. And here I am with Darren's kids. They used to come spend the summer with us, 6 weeks in the summer. We did a lot of horseback riding. There's his kids. Here's Darren young. What were you, about 31, 32, 33?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, there's one of my goats. A couple of my goats. First goats I ever had. Let's see. Goats. Here's you on Gunter. Here's the 3 of us.
Gunner.
Yeah, Gunner. Gunner. This is Sarah. She used to be our 3rd in our team penning team. And here we are getting ready for a trail ride. I'm getting Arrow ready because I'm taking him, ponying him. Darren was ponying him there. And this was a timed event. That's a hot dog on a fishing pole. The guys held the fishing pole and the women rode around the ring and had to grab the hot dog with their mouth. Tracy and I tied for first place on that. And there were a lot of horses in that.
Yeah.
Here we are on a couple separate trail rides. Different horses, not Arrow, but still. Oh, that's a story. We bought this pony for this family, for their kids, for their birthday. I was buying them birthday and Christmas, and she had 4 kids, and that was a lot of money. And finally one day I said, you know what, Darren? Let's get them a pony at an auction. And we did. They had it a long time. Oh, look at you and I here. And milking a goat. I think that's it of the horse pictures. Thank you for watching and staying with us this long. Old women get fat, old horses get thin.
Blowing coat, good, isn't he?
Yeah, winter coat's gonna be in real soon. The old gray mare ain't what she used to be. Gray is my maiden name. And my old boy, here we go. We haven't ridden together in a while. I've been busy with so many other things, and busy gets you time away. 26 years. Darren bought me this horse as a weanling. We got him in an auction. They had just brought him in from Canada to Wisconsin. He had moved to Wisconsin with us and now lives in Missouri with us. I've had horses a large part of my life, and this is very emotional. 26 years today I've had Arrow. Everybody wants to watch Dad get on. Everybody wants to watch Dad. What?
I said I'm not exactly dressed for this. I've never gotten on a horse in a pair of
Oh, Crocs?
Crocs.
Good boy, Arrow. Good boy, Arrow. Can you see this? Right beside me, we have the goats. They're all part of it. They love it. I'm not good at filming. I hope I get this nice. I'd like to show you Darren riding too. He used to be quite the cowboy. We have ridden on cattle drives and sheep rides, and we've done, let's see, the two of us have done competition team pinning and some other fun events. When I was a kid, I did fun classes at horse shows. That's my handsome husband on the most beautiful horse in the world. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
He is still a beautiful horse, babe. Love you.
Love you.